Hello, Namaste, and welcome to Divine Path Tarot. Today I am going to do a general love reading for the sign Virgo. Virgo people, please keep in mind that these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate with each one of you. So please take what resonates with you and ignore the rest. Virgo, in this reading, first of all, I am going to check your current energy and your partner's current energy, then we'll proceed with your reading. Alright? So this is your current energy, Virgo, 9 of Pentacles. This is your current energy, Virgo, and it means that you are being somebody who is looking after your family right now. Okay, you are independent, you are self-sufficient, you are very much happy into your own skin, you have a good home, good family, good family members. You are somebody who is fortunate enough to have all the luxuries of life. Okay, luxury in terms of family, friends, emotion. Okay, you have a good home, you have good parents, you have good siblings. Okay, your neighbors must be very good. So these things are also part of luxury in today's world. Okay, so this is your current energy, Virgo. You are somebody who is independent, who is carefree, who is you are somebody who never relies on anybody else for your own happiness, and it seems like you are quite happy with your life, but something is there in your head or in your mind which is bothering you. Okay, this could be related to your family, this could be related to your finances, this could be related to your goals or future or your career. Okay, so this is your current energy, Virgo. This is your partner's current energy, 8 of Swords. Your person is somebody who wants to take some action towards something, but they have a lot of fear into their heart and mind. Okay, they want to move from a certain place, but their comfort zone, or I would say their fear, is too big that it doesn't allow them to move ahead. So they are stuck somewhere in life, they feel stuck somewhere in life, they feel that, oh God, nothing is going to happen in my favor, what will I do? Okay, and rather than doing anything about their own life, they are choosing to ignore it. If they are feeling stuck somewhere in life, they have to take some action towards it. If they are feeling stuck somewhere in life, they have to do some actions, but they are not doing anything. They are just relying on God, or they are just into their own comfort zone. They have a long list of complaints, but when it comes to take an action, they don't have any action plan. Okay, perhaps they are somebody who has already given up in life. Okay, now let's see what you guys feel about each other. Okay, what you guys feels about each other. What Virgo feels about their person and their person feels about Virgo. Five of Pentacles, 3 of Swords. Virgo, you feel about your person, or you see them as somebody who is betrayed by their own people. Okay, you see them as somebody who was always there to support the other person, but when it comes to them, nobody supports them. So most of the time this person feels aloof, most of the time this person feels alone. Okay, they feel that nobody is here to understand my situation, nobody is able to comprehend what situations I am going through in life. Okay, so that's why you feel them as somebody who is not into who is not very much involved with other people. Okay, they are somebody who is like always said, they are somebody who don't have any friends. They don't have anyone with whom they can share their heart. All right. On the other hand, with this Three of Swords, your person feels about you that you are somebody who is a heartbroken person. It could also happen that, Virgo, your person feels about you that you are already into somebody else. This could be a third party situation also. All right. They could think that, okay, perhaps this person must be, into somebody else, or perhaps this person has other options as well in life in terms of relationship. Then it's okay. I mean, they're not thinking about you in that way. Perhaps they are not aware of such situations. Or it could also happen that they see you as somebody who is a completely heartbroken person. They see you as somebody who always smile, okay, but when it comes to share emotions, you choose not to talk to anybody. Okay, whatever is going on in your heart and mind, you choose to stay mum. Okay, you choose to stay quiet at that time. You feel that it's okay, I am not going to give any kind of explanation to anyone. I'm not going to make anybody understand what's going on in my heart and mind. Okay. Now let's see what action you guys are taking towards each other. What action you guys are taking towards each other. Page of Wands. Page of Wands. Knight of Swords. It's your card, Virgo. I feel that you are being somebody who is gathering all the information right now, okay, or perhaps you are doing your own homework to come forward and talk to this person, or or to just to break the ice. Okay, you just want to talk to them, or you just want to take a first step towards them. Okay, you are doing your own homework. On the other side, your person is being very enthusiastic. Okay, this person has so much of zeal to talk to you, or to confront something to you. Okay, because I'm seeing this person is coming in a rush towards you. Okay, they don't want to think about much they don't want to think much about anything. Okay, they just want to come and talk to you. Okay, on the and it's you who is doing their own homework. What should I do, whether I should move ahead or not? But I think that till the time you are planning your own things, they'll definitely come forward and talk to you. Okay, now let's see what you guys are feeling in this relationship. What you guys are feeling in this relationship. Oh my god, Nine of Swords. It seems like, even though perhaps you have not spoken to this person, or you guys have not spoken on this love chapter so far, but yes, something is there in your mind which is bothering you, and I think that you have started thinking about this person. Okay, this could be anyone. This could be your colleague, this could be your good friend or best friend or something like that. Okay, so it's you who has started thinking about this relationship, who has started thinking about this person, and yes, that's why you are not able to sleep peacefully in nights. Okay, it's not that you are worried or you are anxious or something. No, it is just that their thoughts are coming into your mind, and all of a sudden you feel, why this person is coming into my dreams, or why I'm thinking about them. Okay, on the other hand, your person feels about this, or feels in this relationship as a new beginning with this Ace of Pentacles. This person feels that whenever you talk to them, be it as a friend or as a colleague or as nobody, okay, whenever you guys talk to each other, this person feels that okay, this something new is happening in my life. Whenever they think about you, whenever they think about your chemistry with them or their chemistry with you, they feel something new is arriving in their life. A new chapter has been started in their life. Okay, something new beginning is happening for them. That's how they feel about this in this relationship. All right, now let's see what is the mutual energy. What is the mutual energy? The Hermit. And what's the future potential? I think both of you are on the same page. Both of you are doing your own homework, okay? Because you do not want to get into any kind of trouble, and similarly they also don't want to get into any kind of relationship which is not going to fulfill, or which is not going to be a long-term relationship. All right, so with this Hermit card, both of you are thinking about each other a lot. Both of you must be gathering a lot of information from your available sources. Okay, both of you are doing a lot of homework. Okay, a lot of observations are going on. You must be observing their behavior, they must be observing your behavior. Okay, you must be analyzing their attitude or their life approach towards life, and vice versa. Okay, so a lot of observation is taking place in this relationship right now. The future potential, we have Four of Pentacles. I feel that even though both of you will come together and talk to each other, but yes, you won't be able to confront your emotions completely in front of each other, because both of you have fear of rejection, both of you have fear of failed relationship, both of you have fear of player kind of energy. Okay, both of you do not want to get into any kind of problematic relationship. Okay, so in future wise, if I say, both of you must be talk to each other in front of both of you are going to confront your emotions towards each other, but yes, at some point of time both of you are going to uh, protect some of your energies. Okay, suppose you say that, hey, I have started talking to her and I'm feeling very good, but when it comes to confronting your emotions, that probably I have started liking you, or probably I'm falling for you. So I feel that for those emotions, both of you will take your own time to come forward. Okay, so some communication will definitely take place in this relationship. Okay, but when it comes to open your heart, both of you will choose to stay calm, both of you will choose to take it very slow. Okay, and that is the right approach, I would say. All right, now let's see what angels are asking you to do. What angels are asking you to do. Oh my god, it is a yes. It's a yes. I believe the slow approach which you guys are taking or adhering towards each other, this is the right approach. Okay, you should not get into any kind of false relationship, or any kind of bad relationship. So take it slow. Okay, and that's why angels are saying the same thing to you, that yes, this could be the relationship for you, but you need to take it slow. All right, okay. So Virgo, I feel that some of you could be dealing with Virgo with this Hermit card. Okay, we have Earth sign Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn with this 9 of Pentacles, 5 of Pentacles, Ace of Pentacles and 4 of Pentacles. Some of you could be dealing with Gemini, Libra, Aquarius with this 8 of Swords, Knight of Swords, 3 of Swords and 9 of Swords. And some of you could be dealing with fire sign, Gemini, what am I saying? Fire sign in this reading, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius with this Page of Wands. Okay, We have air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius as well in this reading, okay? And yes, all right. So Virgo people, that was your reading. If any of the part of this reading is resonating with you, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. God bless you. Bye bye. And stay home and stay safe, please. Thank you.